Elle thought it'd be very interesting to do a quick video, a visual video, to have a look at what it is you sniff. Let's have a look. So what I've done here is I have set this up. Let's see if it's going to work. And let's have a little look. So, right, I think that should do it. Okay. So what I've done is let's set the scales. Let's set the digital scales from one of my patients. Okay. And what I'm using here is some chocolate powder. This chocolate powder is going to represent all the things that they put in it to bulk it out. Novocaine, lidocaine, strychnine, creatine, glucose, ProPlus. So I thought it'd be interesting, and I'm going to be very generous. I'm going to rate out a 50-50 ratio. I should have 1.75. I'm slightly over. We're going to adapt that, because what I thought was I would do a Henry, and I would do it at a ratio of like 50-50, right? So we've got 1.75, that's half a Henry. Okay, let's have a look. And then this is going to be the actual Coke. And that's white to represent just take some out of there. So we've got more or less 175, 178. That's pretty close enough, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the whole Henry, okay? So now you can see that there's a Henry, right? And then if you think about it, right, like look, like you put that up your nose, 50% of it is those other things, like, you know, seriously, look now. Think about that quantity. There's your Henry, but look how much of your Henry are other sides. I mean, that's just, you know, I'm sorry you find this triggering, but what I'm trying to just demonstrate here is the fact that how much of that is full of other shit. I mean, it's shit to begin with, and you're putting shit within shit. You know what I say? What's that about?